All is well where there is angel. Rise high, like caterpillar to butterfly. What do people think about spirituality? What comes to your mind when you think about spirituality? Let's discuss here in your own spiritual channel. Rise high, like caterpillar to butterfly. Hello friends, I am Anvesha Datta. I welcome you all to gain knowledge. Spirituality is a journey towards God, to reach God, to feel the divine. Spirituality doesn't stand for only performing some rituals. Rituals are important for our inner peace, not for showing others that you are spiritual by performing that. Being spiritual means to be in the path of God. Now you may ask, who is God? Even some of you may not believe in God. For all of you, let me ask one question. Do you believe that this universe exists? Live it. Do you believe that you exist? Like for real. It's not an illusion that you exist. This mankind exists. The other creatures exist. This world exists. This planet exists. This solar system exists, as well as this universe exists. Now, some of you may argue that no God is there. Some sorts of science, geography, and physics are there. We know how planets are made from a huge star. Collisions made them separate and they started rotating around the star by the attraction force of the star. Now, in Earth, we know how mountains were created. Once upon a time, there was a river in the place of the Himalaya. Everything is working as a force, as an energy. My dear, when you agree that everything works due to an energy, then what is the harm if you accept that energy and trying to know that energy? Now, it is up to you if you want to call that energy God or anything else. Now, it may occur in human mind that there is nothing impossible for human, as science had made technologies which has made possible for human to go to the space. My dear, it does not matter how much science improve, but tell me, have humans reached the power? They are experiencing the power, still they cannot reach it. If you want to argue, be patient, dear. I respect your choice, your decision. It is definitely up to you which way you want to choose, which way you will follow. You will have no harm by listening my point of view. Maybe you will find a point which you will never think before. Maybe you will start looking at this from a different perspective. Just think and tell me, the energy which has created you, the energy which has created the universe, are we really greater than that? Some humans think mankind superior to that energy because human being has made their steps in outside the world. Are you kidding me? Can you make water? Can you make oxygen? Can you make life? Can you give back life to a dead body? Life is also an energy, right? That energy which makes a physical body alive. When it gets out of the body, then the body behaves like it is dead. So, you are experiencing that energy, but have you reached that energy? It's in front of you, within you. Still, it is out of your reach. Now, tell me, what is your point of view? Don't mix the concept of spirituality with some process which is well known forever. Worship and spirituality both are not same. We often worship out of fear. Like, if we don't do it, then it will not good for us. But We become spiritual when we start the process of knowing the energy. It is also necessary in order to know ourselves. We are alive, so within us we have life. So we also have that energy. So why not we try to know about this? We bow down before someone who is elder or superior to us, like our parents. So, should we not bow down in front of that energy for which we are still alive, which makes us alive? Even after the death of our physical body, it will alive, as energy cannot be created, cannot be destroyed. Energy can only transfer from one form to another. Right? It is science, my dear, the science which you follow, which you obey, and for which it is possible for human to reach in this space. We often make so many statements which question about the existence of God. My dear, often you cannot able to find the things which is in front of your eyes, isn't it? You have found the power outside enough. Now start searching it within you. You have the power. You are the power. You are part of the universe. So, you share the same energy with the universe. Stop doubting and start looking for it. Before neglecting someone, just remember, you are neglecting another energy, another power. Nobody can deny with my next statement. No science, no theory is needed to prove that. All positive mindsets will approve that. The biggest power is in the hand of time. Time has the power to change everything, right? We often listen this statement. Wait for the right time. Time waits for none. Everyone's time will come. My dear, with all your improved science, can you stop time? Then, basis of what? You are thinking yourself superior to anything and everything, that you think you don't need to bow down before any power? Who are you? Just a body which is alive due to the power whom you are not ready to accept as superior to you. But why? Due to your ego? Let go ego in order to rise high, like caterpillar to butterfly. Spirituality will find you if you want to find yourself. After all, your source of energy which is within your body is also come from the same source which creates the universe. Simple. Is it difficult to understand? As simple as water, which looks soft as liquid but becomes hard when it changes its state from liquid to solid, that is ice. And when it changes its state to gas, we experience the vapor but unable to hold it. The same way energy works. Energy as a form of life works. The art of gaining knowledge and accepting the concept is easy. You know what you will choose, but the truth is universal. It does not change based on someone's choice. I have made the concept easy to understand. If you still have any doubts, feel free to write down below. Thank you for being patient till the end. That's all for today. See you all to my next video. Till then, take care. Stay healthy. Be happy. God loves you all. Archangel Michael loves you all.